Taking a few pictures of these. These are cool. Whew. Alright. Walking on through. Going to this mountain over here. See if I can show you guys a little bit of the mountain. Trying to also walk a little slow because I don't want to be fast and run up on a rattlesnake, or honestly there's like 30 snakes that could kill you in the Mojave. I don't know if they're all around here, but I'm trying to find out. You feel me? So look at this. This is another straight rock thing, you know? I feel like water is just carving all these lines. I know I posted a poll the other day of one line I found, but I mean there's thousands of lines potentially, and I've found dozens of them. So I doubt that, you know, it was Native Americans or something. Like, look at this. This is crazy right here. There's another line right there, straight line. You know, there's tons of those. Some cool rocks over here. See, like from here you can kind of see it's like a kind of peak. Thing is, there's tons of mountains. Oh, look at this. This is Opuntia basilaris. Gives off a super cool flower. And the pads are edible, although they suck to de-spine. But I mean, if you're dying, you know, in the desert, you can eat them. And then, you know, give off a super cool fruit and flower. Fruit's bomb. Flower's super cool. But, you know, one thing about cacti in the desert people have confused too is, you know, you can't just eat a bunch of cacti or try to take water out of them. They'll give you dietary issues if that's all your diet. So, I mean, you know, it could definitely be part of a diet to survive, but if you're eating only cacti, you're going to start just getting a, you know, ridiculous amount of fiber in your body that'll cause you to have like the runs and stuff, you know. Check out these rocks. It's ridiculous. Tons of them. It looks like Dalmatians or something, you know. Got all these cool spots. But yeah, this peak right here, I've been trying to see. No snakes and shit. I've been trying to scope out the land from here. So basically, there's like a Joshua. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like way over there, like 4 mountain passes that way, and then we're like maybe an acre, no, like 2 acres in, but then it goes all the way that way for good like mile or 2, then same, it goes down. But you know, it's ridiculous. It's a huge amount of land that we gotta, like, you know, work on and stuff. And I can already see like tons of cacti over there. This is why I try to find the peaks. But there's like probably 100 plus mountains, I would assume, you know. And then there's these rivers that I use as roads. It looks like that's where water at one time passed like a ridiculous amount, because this is, like I said, kind of like a river. So that's what I've been figuring out up to now. Oh, forgot I had an apple in my back pocket. Well, give it to the little animals out here. It's not good anymore. Ooh, look at this barrel cacti over here too. Insane. Then we start getting into some gnarly rocks over here. Like, look at this. Whoa. If anyone ever needs rocks, you know who to come to. This is ridiculous. Another barrel. Whoop. I feel like I'm at Joshua Tree or something. All these rocks. Yeah. See if we get down to the river before this video gets insanely long. Man, spotting like stupid amount of Joshuas, as you can see. What the heck? Alright, that's insane. You guys need to see this. Look at that. Look at that. Looks like they're almost like placed in a perfect path. Man, nature's freaking crazy, man. Nature's crazy, yo. Alright, let's try not to get marked by a snake. Ah. Whew. So you can see, now we can't, you know, really see much because of the valleys and stuff, you know. But check out the mountain right there. Walk down just a little bit, and then I'm gonna turn around and go try to find my ladder. I was getting kind of stuck over here already. Good thing the ATV is like easily pushable by one person, because man, it is, you know, not the business when you get stuck with a truck, which has happened to me several times too. I wanted to check out these rocks over here that we passed by. Oh, there's a cool formation over there with like green stuff. What the heck? Whoa. That is crazy. Look how that giant rock is held up by just that rock. That's fucking... Whoa. So a lot of this is like the first time I'm seeing this, you know? So you guys are exploring it with me. Look at this crazy moss. Huh. See, focus on it. Crazy. Look at this barrel cacti over here that's dead. We're dying. It's like halfway. Huh. I think the same with this opuntia. Looks like crap. That's pretty cool. I want to go check out this last range. Then I'll end the video. Just wanted to give you guys a short little tour of the plants and stuff. The cholla is kind of on the south side of the lot. Over here we got a lot of Joshuas and barrels. The diamond cholla kind of likes to go next to the goldens and the silvers I've found. Holy crap. That's what I wanted to show you guys. I haven't seen this. Whoa. Fucking heard something, I think. Whatever, can't trip out. Whoa. Look at that. See, like this stuff, you would totally get stuck in if you drove in it with a truck. You have to glide over it with the ATV. Huh. Look at this kind of piece right here that has a stupid amount of green in it. See if I can focus on it. Whoa. That's cool. Okay. Look at this straight line. What the heck? Yeah, now I'm definitely convinced these are fault lines. There's too many of them. I thought it might have been like Native Americans kind of GPS, you know, type. But I doubt it. Fuck, man, it's just mountain after mountain. Well, I could explore this for you know, I got years. So I'm gonna head back. But yeah, if you guys ever need cacti or rocks, you know where to come. Whew. It's a mission. We're walking this little river. No wonder the trucks and stuff get stuck. Look at your feet just sink in it and then kind of like go to the sides. Oh, it's a super cool rock. It looks like, you know, it's like smooth right here, and then it's got like a jagged like cut right here. This one's one for you, Keith. Crack that in half, see if you find some cool crystals. Alrighty, heading back. Catch you guys later. Have a good one.